This is Rob Guthins for Service Master Advanced, the master of disaster in Mobile, Alabama. We're in the contents clean room where the expert cleaning ladies clean contents that come out of fires, and they clean every little detail when we do a fire. Every piece of all this had to be cleaned. We clean contents and fires, pack them up, put the pictures of the contents on the outside of the box them up, store them, and then we bring them back to people that have been an unfortunate victim of fire and return them to them and help them unpack if they need it. Service Master can clean just about anything that's salvageable in a fire. We can help you. Give us a call. Service Master Advanced Cleaning and Restoration, area code 251-653-9333.